Okay, so this is Erwin Tam, also known as Elmo, and this is some of his work over here. He and Pat and another student, they're collaborating on mixed media prints. So I asked Erwin to present a little silkscreen example because a lot of Michael's prints are the screen prints here, and he's just going to do one run to let you see, but you would make several screens to get a multi-layer print. But before you explain your print, I'll let you take it away. He's going to just demonstrate screen printing. So thank you for doing that. He just got back from Poland. So he flew in and his father had a reunion there. So anyway.
All right. Well, this particular screen here, that was kind of short notice coming in here. So I just went into the studio and I grabbed a screen that looked kind of interesting. So I don't even know who this belongs to. I didn't really have any paper, so I got some architectural paper that was fairly inexpensive, and it was free. I got it out of trash. And I'm just going to print on this and see what it looks like. This is acrylic-based ink. It's called TW Graphics.
So Erwin, you're going to print on the part that's printed?
Yes, I think so. I could print on the other side, but it might be interesting. So I'm only doing one run.
Oh, so you want to have something different?
Yeah, it'll look a little bit different. This is just done with a squeegee, and so you flood, and then you pull, you flood again, and this is what it looks like.
So this is what you can do: photographic imagery, and I'll hold it for you. And you make more. This is you can print on T-shirts. That's what people most commonly associate screen with, but that's not.
So how are the images created on the screen?
You use like a stencil. Usually take a clear transparency and you print it on an inkjet printer or a laser printer onto clear plastic. And then you put photo emulsion on the screen and you expose it in a light table. And then what you get is a positive. And so I'm printing positives, not really negatives, but it is an alternative photographic process. A lot of people will draw onto it, and it's a lot more hand of the artist. But Andy Warhol did this way, and then he would draw afterwards. So if I want it to be darker, I can let it whatever I want. It starts to get messy then. Typically, you would do, this is a 25% magenta on there, so there's 75% base mixed into 25% ink, and so it's pretty transparent, and you would layer multiple layers on it. Like the print over there, 60 hours for just the color, and there's probably, screen-wise, there's probably like 40 screens on that.
So are you letting it dry in between?
Yes. On that one, you would let it dry, but it takes about 20 seconds, really. Like this one here, that's almost dry.
Right.
So the one that's over on the floor, you can put back in and put a different color.
I could. Is that one dry yet? Yeah. So I can take that in and just like flip it around or something, just the same color, and I can make it might stick or something, but it's a little bit tacky. The type of ink I use, TW Graphics, is a commercial grade, so it will stick to just about anything.
And you smell this all day long?
That smells good.
Erwin's mixed.
That's why they're always hot.
He's mixed clove oil with his inks.
Yeah.
Right, so you can smell the cloves when you're viewing some of his work. It's kind of interesting.
There's like going on top of it with the same color. That's how you do screen printing.
So you can see some of the images that were there before are darker now
Yes.
within the.
Typically, you would want to do multiple layers.